Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have something really exciting to unbox and review. The S97 Obstacle Avoidance Camera Drone. This sleek looking drone promises to take your aerial photography to new heights. So let's dive in and see what's inside the box. But before that I am showing you some specifications about this drone. But some specifications are not right. It has gimbal camera, means you can operate its camera with the remote. You can remotely adjust the front camera 0 to 90 degree. And also it has 4-side obstacle avoidance sensor that prevents the drone from crashing. On the another side of this box you can see here same features are written, and here is the actual photo of this drone. It comes in two colors, one is orange and another is black. You can buy the drone in any color because the specification and the features are all same. So let's start the unbagging. Here we got a nice suitcase. With the help of this suitcase you can carry the drone anywhere while traveling. The build quality of this suitcase is really awesome. So let's open the zipper and see what's inside the box. Here you can see all things are properly visible to you. At first I am showing you the user manuals of this drone. You will get two user manuals with the drone. At first I am showing you the first one. By reading the user manuals you can learn about the drone, how drone flies, how its remote control works, how to control the drone with the remote, and how it features works. All information about the drone is given in the user manuals. The first one is for the drone and another user manual for its camera application. You have to install an application called HFUFO to access this camera footage into your device. You can scan the QR codes to install the application in your device. If you have an iPhone then you can scan the iOS one, and if you have an Android mobile then you can scan the Android one. So now let's keep the paperwork aside and come on to the another things. Here you can see the accessories pouch of this drone. Here we got a charging cable which is USB to pin charging cable. You have to connect the USB into your mobile adapter and then connect the red connector into the battery. Then battery will start charging. And the another thing in the accessories pouch, we got two extra propeller. In any reason the pre-installed propellers of the drone got damaged, then you can replace the propellers with these two propellers. Okay, let's keep it also aside and come on to the next thing. Here you can see the 4 propeller guards of this drone. It prevents the drone from crashing. The propellers of the drone will be safe if you install the propeller guards into the drone's arms. Let's keep it aside, and here you can see the last thing in the accessories pouch, the screwdriver. With the help of this screwdriver you can easily open the drone and the remote, and then you can repair it or modify it. So these are the accessories of this drone. Now come on the main thing, which is remote and the drone. Here you can see the remote controller. It comes with 2.4 GHz frequency. The build quality of this remote is really awesome. The joysticks of the remote works very smoothly, and here you can see the buttons that have their own duties. In the bottom of this remote you can see here the mobile holders. You can hold your mobile in the remote. On the another side of this remote, here you can see the battery compartment of this remote. You have to install 3 AA batteries into the battery compartment, then the remote will be on and it will be connected with the drone. Let's keep the remote also aside and come on to the hero of this video, the S97 Obstacle Avoidance Camera Drone. The looks of this drone is really amazing. You can see the sleek design of this drone. The build quality of this drone is really good. It is a very compact drone, so let's unfold it. It has 4 directional obstacle avoidance sensor, and it has remotely adjustable camera which makes the drone really perfect for beginners. Let's take out the battery from the drone. Here you can see the battery of this drone. You will get a powerful lithium polymer battery with the drone that gives the drone a decent flight time. You can constantly fly the drone around 8 to 10 minutes. Now let's ready the drone for flying. At first you have to fully charge the battery of the drone. Then you have to install 3 AA batteries into the remote. Then the remote and the drone will be powered on. After finishing up the battery installation, you have to power on the drone. To power on the drone, you have to press and hold its on-off switch which is on the top of the drone. Simply push and hold the button, then the drone's light will be blinking. It means drone is ready to connect with the remote. Then you have to power on the remote. Here is the on-off switch of the remote which is in the corner of the remote. Simply click it like that, and here you can see both lights are stable. It means they are connected. Now drone is ready to fly. But before that I am showing you its camera application. You have to install HFUFO application in your mobile device. After installing the application, you have to go in your mobile's Wi-Fi, then you can see its signal, then simply connect it and then go back to the application. Then you will see a interface like that. Then simply press on the start, and when you press start you are ready to see its camera footage on your mobile device. You can see the camera footage of this drone which is quite good for this price range. You can attach your mobile in the remote, and when you attach your mobile in the remote, you are ready to fly. And you can also fly the drone with the mobile application. You don't need any remote to fly this drone, and you will get many advanced and extra features in the mobile application. So everything is ready. Let's go into the ground and fly it. My dear friends, finally we are in the ground and we have taken off our S97 obstacle avoidance drone. At first I am showing you the stability of this drone. The stability of this drone is just awesome. Here you can see our drone is hovering in one place because it has optical flow positioning hold and altitude hold feature. That's why the drone is so stable, and it has many interesting features like headless mode, 1 key return, obstacle avoidance mode, 360-degree flip, and many more features. And you will get many extra features in the mobile application, and the features works properly. And the stability of this drone is really impressive, and it has also 3 speed modes. That's why you can fly the drone in high winds. And friends, this drone comes with 2.4 GHz frequency. That's why you can control the drone in long distance. I flew the drone so far and I could control it. The control range of this drone is really sufficient, like its battery backup. After fully charge the battery, you can fly the drone up to 8 to 10 minutes. I really appreciate that because the price of this drone is too low. And in this price range, you are getting 2 flagship features. One is obstacle avoidance mode and another is remotely adjustable camera. 2 features works properly. And in its camera application, you will get many advanced features like trajectory flight, gravity sensing flight, gesture selfie mode, and many other features. But the camera quality of this drone is not up to the mark. You can see its camera footage on the display. Its camera quality is not very good. You can't use its camera footage for cinematography, filmmaking, and content creation. You can simply make fun with the camera footage. But you also cannot expect higher resolution footage from this drone because the price of this drone is so low. You can use the camera footages of this drone for fun purposes, not commercial use. So this S97 obstacle avoidance camera drone is going to be great for beginners who are searching for their first drone.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Okay friends, that's it for today. I really loved the drone. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to be notified of our upcoming videos. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.